You can send custom one-off scheduling links for specific instances. Custom links can be generated from any of your existing scheduling links and allow you to customize meeting details like the title, priority, soonest scheduling start, organizers and hours, duration, meeting URL, latest scheduling time, locations, and email reminders. These custom links aren't added to your main booking pages or saved in your scheduling links interface and automatically expire after 30 days. Instead of having to create a whole new scheduling link for a specific meeting instance, you can create a custom one-off link to control when a person can start booking with you, add another organizer for that meeting instance, customize the link and title to personalize the meeting, or to protect your privacy by not having to send one of your booking pages. You can create custom links from the scheduling links page or with the free Reclaim add-on in Google Calendar and Gmail. Happy scheduling!